Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a quick note on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to take or create a quick note, you can find the plus icon at the gray plus icon, sorry, at the upper right corner of the home screen, and the create quick note option. And here you can open a note, and you can write your notes and ideas, and if you finish, click to the OK button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.